In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your size in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find the size changing machine that is going to allow you to become bigger or smaller. This machine is not only going to work with your own goat, but any object that you place on it, including humans as well. So first, to set up and grease up the machine, you will go to this specific location on Redneck Haven. When you go here and you complete the Backyard Science quest by putting some grease around the machine, it is going to become operational. So basically, anything that you enter on one side of the machine is going to be spat out on the other side, either bigger or smaller. If you enter the machine yourself, you will be thrown out of the machine with the appropriate size. You can either become bigger or smaller like I mentioned, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. So all that you have to do is enter the machine from either size and you will be able to make stuff bigger or smaller accordingly. Everything will be thrown out from the top and you will see the size change immediately go off. You can drag anything that you wish towards the machine. So enter it on the appropriate side and you will be able to see the size changing machine in action. And like I mentioned, you can keep repeating this to make things bigger and bigger and bigger. If you are having trouble with the Backyard Science quest, like I said, all that you have to do is look for oil barrels around the area and you will be able to lather yourself in oil and then drag yourself around the machine to grease it up. It is always going to be available here, and any objects that you can pick up with your tongue and drag towards the machine will be able to be either magnified or made smaller. So just drag them there, keep repeating if you would like to make something giant, and you will be able to see the machine in action while dragging stuff. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your size in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.